If you are hearing this transmission, we are in grave need of your help. The Empire has laid siege upon yet another planet. If you have a smuggler ship or a cargo freighter, we need your help now. Please bring supplies. Enclosed in this transmission are the specifications on the parts that we need to stay alive and to stay in the fight, as well as our coordinates. Stay safe and long live the Resistance.
Andor has shown us that Star Wars has grown. In fact, not only has the galaxy grown, but the world building, the storytelling rules have changed. The cinematic value of the landscape is once again found in a way to surprise and thrill without boundaries. That we all are invited to build upon it, and within the recesses of my mind, the battle of the Resistance wages on. Being on remote, desolate, and of no consequence small orbs in the sky no longer affords safety. The Empire is everywhere. The Empire has expanded its reach. There is no escape. They even finance corporations to manage the plundering and tyranny of so many systems. The planet Corine has once been a lush planet. Rich and vibrant greens swarmed the land, teeming with a flourish of accented colors from all the local flora. The sounds of animals aplenty were a peace to one's mind. Giant moss-covered trees with a brownish-red base seemed to defy gravity as they climbed to the stars. This was, of course, before the Empire discovered rare minerals deep within the soil. Excavation teams raided the towns so that the inhabitants would leave, then performed devilish experiments on the land that left it pockmarked from Goliath ore samples extracted from the ground. Their discovery showed that rare minerals found therein could be used in their manufacturing of weapons. They uprooted the forests, poisoned the marshes, and vanquished all wildlife with their crude extraction techniques, draining the planet core with reckless abandon. With the groundwater contaminated, it became apparent that water purification was of the utmost importance, as our water stores are near depleted. Now, every dwelling requires a purifier to ensure the water is potable. Most families cannot afford the corporation-sold machines, which are both expensive but cheaply made. The Empire has also levied heavy taxes in the system, so credits are hard to come by. Luckily, the Resistance has ties on planet. We have received the plans that are requisite for making water filtration systems. Common Empire ship parts can be used in line with a native rock to turn the brown contaminated sludge back into drinkable water. But we need your help to find these ships, strip them of their wares, and smuggle them to Corine. I understand this is no easy undertaking. Be wary of spies and corpos, but the Empire has grown fat and lazy, and we know you're up to the task. Head to the traders market and look for the banners within the shops that bear the symbol of 3 river marks. This is a safe haven. Your assistance will ensure our survival, but also our ability to continually report on outbound shipments from the corpos and the Empire. Long live the Resistance!